Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're talking about what might just be the best mini makeup sponges you've ever used, the AOA Studio Collection Makeup Sponge Set. If you're a fan of applying makeup with precision and ease, these latex-free, high-definition sponges could be your new go-to tools. Let's take a closer look at why these sponges are receiving so much praise. First off, these sponges come in a set of 6, offering excellent value for your money. They are designed for all kinds of makeup, including BB cream, foundation, concealer, powder, and liquid formulas. Whether you're looking for a smooth base or seamless coverage, these sponges promise a flawless finish every time. The material is soft to the touch, making blending feel incredibly smooth and comfortable on the skin. What's even better is that they're made from latex-free material, which makes them a great option for anyone with sensitive skin or allergies. The sponges are designed in a unique shape, which allows you to use them for a variety of purposes. The pointed tip helps with precision for areas like under the eyes, around the nose, and along the brow bone, while the rounded sides are perfect for blending large areas of your face. This versatility makes it easier to achieve professional quality results, whether you're applying powder or liquid makeup. The sponges are perfect for both wet and dry use. When dampened, they expand to provide an even more flawless application, allowing the makeup to blend seamlessly into your skin. And when used dry, they offer a dense texture, giving you more coverage with your makeup products. Plus, cleaning them is a breeze, ensuring they stay in top condition for multiple uses. These mini makeup sponges are designed with an easy-to-grip shape, making them user-friendly even for beginners. Whether you're applying foundation or setting powder, the soft, plush texture helps the makeup settle evenly, giving you an airbrushed finish without any streaks. At just $16.36 for a set of 6 sponges, this AOA Studio Collection Makeup Sponge Set is a steal. If you're someone who loves precision in your makeup routine and wants sponges that are gentle, durable, and effective, these sponges are definitely worth a try. With an outstanding customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars, it's clear that many beauty enthusiasts are loving these sponges. That's it for today's review on the AOA Studio Collection Makeup Sponge Set. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on amazing products like this one. We'll see you next time.